So what is object-oriented programming? Object-oriented programming is a programming paradigm or a style of programming that is centered around objects rather than functions. It's nothing new, it's been around since the 70s, but unlike tools and frameworks that come and go, object-oriented programming is still very relevant today. That's because it's not a programming language or a tool. It's a style of programming or a programming paradigm. There are several programming languages out there that support object-oriented programming, such as C#, Java, Ruby, Python, JavaScript, and more. Visual programming that divided a program into a set of functions. So we have data stored in a bunch of variables and functions that operate on the data. This style of programming is very simple and straightforward. Often it's what you will learn as part of your first programming subject at a university. But as your programs grow, you will end up with a bunch of functions that are all over the place. You might find yourself copying and pasting lines of code over and over. You make a change to one function and then several other functions break. That's what we call spaghetti code. There is so much interdependency between all these functions, it becomes problematic. Object-oriented programming came to solve this problem. In object-oriented programming, we combine a group of related variables and functions into a unit. We call that unit an object. We refer to these variables as properties and the functions as methods. Here's an example. Think of a car. A car is an object with properties such as make, model, and color, and methods like start, stop, and move.